Igwe, my question is coming direct to you.
Yes, ma'am.
When I was coming in, I saw a building by the side, and I was told it's food bank.
Yes.
What do you have to tell us about the food bank?
Yeah, that's a game-changing phenomenon. That's something that makes a demand tick. It's the first of its kind in Southeast Nigeria. So whereby my father's barn, where he used to, my father was an avid farmer. So, and I loved him so much, he loved me, so he blessed me. So I told him, growing up, he wanted me to be a farmer. I told him I would never farm. So he said, no, you can't, every professor's farm. I said, no, I would never farm. So by the time I had my vision and mission, I proved to him that I would never farm, and I didn't farm. I never farmed that time. So I said, okay, whenever he was tired of working or farming, I would use that his barn to make a food bank, and the food will never lack in that place. So he blessed the place for me before he expired. Then, glory be to God, since 3 years, that food bank had been standing, feeding people every day, about 200 to 250 people every day for the past 3 years. And I picked up each village of the 11 villages I run. Oh, it was then I had when a book came out of me, it was 15 villages. Everybody brought one person that they searched, they verified, that they checked out. They worked in the food bank. Now it's down to 11 people, 11 of them. So each village, so there's no conspiracy, there's no poisoning, there's no, and I survived it. I'm at home. Since 3 years I've been home. So I spend home, that's my pet project. So every day people, children come and eat, and the rule is that you don't need to look for me to greet me. You just say, glory be to God. God bless him, and you go. So it's been a game-changing event. Many people many tourists have come in here. People have supported. I really don't make noise about it so much because my own job is to do the action, and then the people talk about it. So we're not on social media to talk about food bank. It's all we do to God, because when Jesus Christ said, when you love your neighbors, you love yourself. What does that mean? When you feed the hunger, clothe the sick, heal the sick, then the homeless, go far. So those are the philosophy that makes a demand tick. Because I came in to add intangibles. I built a hospital 7 years ago. It's run for free. The new hospital in the southeast that runs for free. It's a demand hospital. You can see it. You go up there and see it. It has the best equipped. It has ultrasound. It has radiography. Everything is there. We take care of the bills every day. So we just have a drug revolving scheme whereby I bought them a huge amount of medicine, and you just pay for the price if you want. If you want to take your prescription, there's a resident doctor there, does all kinds of surgery. I think it's the world best charity gift that God can give me. So because I'm a nurse by training, so I brought the hospital back home. So me and my family, we did that, and the community, I gave it to the community and they embraced it. So I have a board of trustee member run by Professor Felix Asogwa. He does a good job with it. And then my hospital administrator, Chief Joseph Ugwanye, the people that are committed and other board members, like Barrister Innocent Asogwa, Emmanuel Asadu, a bunch of them, Godian Ezema, Dr. Keden Ezema, Dr. Benjamin Ayog, a bunch of, even the wife of the doctor here, Amoke. So they all come in. They were handpicked thoroughly. So that's what makes the demand tick. Then with demand has a lot of attractions like our J Hill. It's in dungeon, no sign of danger. You can see when we take around the palace, you see some monuments, some monumental statements, some poems that people come here to see, especially since the emergence of me as the king. If they think I was a game changer, they think that I was the man they were waiting for to galvanize everybody, put everybody together. So now we are part of the history. So that's why when you come in, like he said, during the war, a lot of people were finding it difficult to come in here to attack us. So we were kind of somewhere in that attack with them. We were hiding somewhere in Agamag, so in a lonely, bushy area, so the war was over. So because of those incantations, development were not even able to come to our town. So it was difficult for them because our people did a lot of traditional African practice, which they were innocent of. They were just trying to look for survival. So I was the bait between the old and the new. So they put me as a bait. So I asked them for forgiveness, they forgive me, then I brought all the development down. That's why now we have the smart school by Petamba, working in the smart school there. Water, I was able to resuscitate the water. I was able to tie the road. I tied that road. So I was able to put street lights on over here. I was able to empower the youths here. Last 2 years, or last year, 2 years, I gave them 63 million, 1 million each person to energize the economy. And they're happy now. Then So since I became the king, I sent 9 people overseas, besides the ones I've sent before then. Now I'm retired. So they're on the throne. I'm on the throne now with their support and help. And then we'll have one of the best yam festivals you can take in telling the whole country, because it's always a game changing something. It's a phenomenal thing. A lot of people come in here, and our fall are coming on our yam festival is November 14. Our fall is November 15. It's going to be like an invitation from all parts of Nigeria. They'll be here. So I will show you the Graceland, where's the new thing. Beside the University of Nigeria and Nsukka, no community, no place in the Nsukka zone has ever empowered their king the way they've empowered me. I will show you the new Ofala ground. It's a game-changing event. God bless them all. People that committed to do this. So that's why the man is unique. We're united. We're concise, because all of them listen to me when I talk. 99% of them, the ones that are, that's why you have a statue of me there. Because I was debate. I was debate between, it's not easy. We have a lot of professors here, smart people here. But I know my cabinet members are not prepared for interview today, so they didn't research on what you ask them. So I found it impressive that they were able to come out at the short notice and able to say a few things. So those things are the things that happen, because a lot of things happen. For us to get a third road, it was a lot of fight between the ancestors and us. And I was debate. That's why they had no option, but they put my statue there. So anybody coming on, and it's going to be there in perpetuity, whether I'm dead or alive is there. And they know the reasons why. So that's why they are thankful. If you ask most of them, those things are there. But I've always been good at. I built 10 houses for this. I'm on my 10th house for the widows and the widowers. So they have always those are the things that currently put a demand on the map and a them on the map. So and again, me being somebody who the governor liked and then appointed me as chairman of the. So the Center for Tradition is here. So and then I use it to be Southeast chairman of traditional laws. I'm in Africa so I've traveled around the world. I'm one of the most traveled traditional laws in Africa. So that's why I stayed in America for 30 years, and I'm a nurse by profession, but I'm nurse to the top. So I'm married with 4 children. That's what makes us. That's the history.
Like, you say that the food bank, every morning people come to eat and go.
Every blessed day for 3 years. You can verify it. You're going to see it. When I take you a thought.
The whole community.
No, whoever is hungry is voluntary, of course.
It's almost the whole community. Yeah. Like you don't count how many people that come in.
They come. Even the hospitals are said by Kogi State, Benue State, because people don't know. My community doesn't talk much about what they have. They try to protect their own, so they just they don't. They know. They see hospitals, appendectomy, myomectomy, hysterectomy is done over there.
Hospital free of charge.
Ask them. I can take you there. You see it. It's for 7 years.
I can walk up in my house and come and eat here. Like, go to the hospital free. Like.
Since the past 3 years. So that's just to know. And people, decent people. Some people help me with, putting. Somebody will come here and say, "I'll give you ₦1 million." Say, thank God. I pray for them and I bless them. So I've been very lucky that I've seen. The support with their support of the community and all the staff of the community, they've given me all. The new Graceland is the game changing. Since the University of Nigeria and Nsukka, there has never been any empowerment that the community has come out together to do, but what they did to me. I will show it to you just beside this house. You see it and you'll be like, wow. So every Nigerian will be, most Nigerians will be there on November 15th. I'm looking forward to that. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for seeing reasons to do all this for your people. Like, it's rare to see somebody that has this kind of. And
they love me. And my life now is to how do I pay back the love they have for me? So look at me at my young age. They put a statue of me. So there's no way you go and see the king, and he's not even in my compound. He's in the center of the town.
And the person that did the job did like excellent. It was just you.
Yeah. So they love that, and they take pride in that. It's part of their monuments. Now it's part of the tourist attraction. Because they say, go and verify, his statue is there. And nobody's complaining.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Thank you. So if you don't mind, you can maybe take us around. All right. Thank you very much. Guys, for the first time I'm seeing a king with, when you talk of good heart, this one is more than good heart. Having a food bank where you can come from anywhere and eat, go. In this, like this country now, that even one full meal, like, is a problem. Hospital for free, like, Igwe, for the past 7 years.
Verify. I'm telling you, I'm honest.
So the government will do 1 month and end.
No, there's no development that came in here except Dr. Peter Mba that brought us smart school. Like, that's the only thing that shows government. We have a health center somewhere, but it's almost comatose. So there's nothing else that the government has in this community. Everything that it was brought by me and my team. Something
that government to do and end one person individual.
I'm a compulsive philanthropist. Hey. And I live the way people love one another.
Hallelujah, sir.
God bless you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Everything was all well choreographed. But all of a sudden, so disappeared. So this is the graceland. So this is where I'll do the Ofala. So I'm working on it now to take total possession. But the community has voluntarily given me this to set up my kingdom. So while the dignitaries will be here, the community will be here, and friends will be here to do the Ofala. So I don't have to move from here to elementary school or secondary school to do anything. So everything I was born here to create an empire of men and women of repute. So that's why I came here for the next generation to adopt that change, to see that change has come to demand, and the change we must adhere to. So God used some people here to make it happen. So when they gave me the land, I cried for 5 minutes. I said, I didn't know that, because we live in community relation or community way. I never knew God left this land. I didn't move anybody from their ancestral home, because I don't want to inherit the ancestral blessing, ancestral curses. So, but God, for some reason, perfected it that nobody, just across from my gate. So I own from here. So it's like the same land, but we live all together in community. So it's very hard to find somewhere. And the architecture of my palace is all not straight, because I avoided to lift people. Even this guy living here, you can see a block cement here. I don't remove him. I don't ask him to buy his land, because that was where he was given by his ancestors and father to build. So I didn't say, oh, I was rich, so let me move him and move all around here. So I didn't say that, and I wouldn't do that. So that's what I'm encouraging the youth to look inwards. Don't look inwards, and don't forget to respect your father and mother, because that's honor your father and mother, so your days will be long. That's what wisdom I talk about when I say to the youths, to be able to imbibe those pictures. That doesn't mean I'm perfect. I have problems too, but to look at those parts of me that is good and imbibe it. And I'm encouraging my community to defend me with their last drop of their blood, so that as long as I'm living, I want to serve them, and I want to give them that love they showed me. I want to show them as much as that. And to them, the glory go to God. So we can go to the food bank.
Let's go to the food bank.
20 plots.
20 plots.
Yeah. It's never. Yeah, I'm telling you. Hey. So that every occasion will be here. This is the next big thing. It's going to be called Graceland. Graceland. From Land of Grace. And they love me so much. So
every year you do Christmas party for them.
Overseas. 24 December is Ogadagidi Day here.
24 December.
Yeah, nobody puts it on 24 December. The past 11 years. Yeah, it's a phenomenon. It's a game-changing one, empower and the rich.
Blessing to your people. Seriously.
Yeah, they bless me too. So I put water in the villages. So everybody knew. Be careful.
Hey. This food bank part and the hospital, like a lot of things.
The human empowerment is better than that. So it's very good too. Human empowerment, people are sent overseas. Yeah, I said to emulate the crime, and I never know in the community they crime both home and abroad. So I show them example. That's why I talk, and I'm not the one that says it to the social media. People come here and talk right, and I don't have a social media. People open Facebook on my name or Instagram. I don't even go there. I don't mind. My job was not to talk about what I do, is to just to show people example. So you see, so that's what it is for. So and I'm glad God used me. I asked God to use me to do this job. He doesn't come downstairs. He uses people that he sees. That's what I'm happy for. So
food bank.
The food bank.
The whole building.
Yeah, that's my father's bank. My community knows that. They know that.
Like for real.
Yeah, he's been here for 3 years.
Where did you get the inspiration?
Because I lived in America, where they care for everybody. Everybody is equal before the law. That's what helps me a lot. He helped mold my life. I was able to understand the concept.
Yes.
For 3 years, every day they cook here.
They cook here every day. Like, hi. Thank you.
People come and throw some yam or throw some rice here. You can take a picture of that. So it's also Thank you.
Nice.
These are the staff. They have uniform. Sometimes they wear uniform, sometimes they don't.
This is where people come to sit and eat.
Yes, every day. For the past 3 years. It started from November 1, 2022. So that's why we had a food bank, and my father was able to bless me here, blessing. Like I said, it was his barn. He's a proud farmer, so he loves to farm. And I told him I don't like to farm, but I will always buy whatever he had. So he blessed here, and since then it's been a game-changing phenomenon. People are copying it, even in Ghana. And I encourage all the philanthropists and the youth to see the little, you don't have to do it big this way. This is big, you really have to have money. This building is better than a bank somewhere in Nsukka here, very clean and decent. And make sure they keep it clean, even though I don't have time to come up here every week. People come here from all parts of Nigeria to see this. Believe you me, I just avoid them taking pictures of people eating because I don't want to advertise anybody. So they come in here, and the people that are committed to coming over here, they know themselves, they pray for me. I give up to 200 to 300, God bless you every day.
Every day?
Every day, except Christmas Day.
Okay. And they cook different kind of food, like any kind of food you want to eat?
We don't have varieties because this is a community, it's not in the city. If it was in the city, then there would be people coming in, but I did it in my people. Yeah. No. They cook all kind of rice. Sometimes they cook beans and yam. They cook whatever, chicha and so on, what we call chicha here. So they do that. And they've been serving people, you can ask them. So I want to eradicate kwashoko here or protein, energy, malnutrition in my community. I don't think anybody's crying for hunger in this community. And again, we have a car that drives people. If you're sick, you go and you call for them and they bring the food to you. I pay all the blind people in this community, in the whole Edem, there are 22 of them. I pay them 50,000 naira every month. It comes to 1.1 million naira every month. People that are blind in this community. We don't talk about
blind.
Yeah, in this community. If you're from me, if I verify you from here, I pay you 50,000 every month, as long as you live, and I live. All of them are verified. I'm saying it in public. All the elderly people, the leader, head of the communities, and their wives get salary from me every month. This
wives.
Yeah, yes, yeah.
Every month.
Every month. For the past since I've been a king. The cabinet members get salary. Yeah, so there is a token. It's not salary, of course, it's just a token. Something to wash their clothes. You see, they're wearing white. Sometimes they need the omo to wash it. That's what it is. So, okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm seeing even children sit like, come and enjoy yourself.
Yeah, and then nobody knows who's what. They come mostly in the afternoon.
So they come from anywhere, not even.
Nobody asks you. There's no record. There's no fire.
No record of you must come from a dream. You can come from anywhere.
Yeah, we don't have. Even the hospital. Yeah, that's where God blessed me. Yeah, we don't have any.
Thank you.
Yeah, we don't have any problem. We're very accommodating and very nice.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Hey, thank you. I've not seen this. This is the first time I'm seeing this one. So, sir, please, how do you and the dame and people feel about this whole gesture, like having someone that you know this?
Oh, very, 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 very well. We are so glad that God gave us this type of man. We are very, very glad. We thank God for everything He has done about this young man. So we are very grateful. We feel so better, and that is why we sculpted his image at the center of the community.
Like people come here every morning to eat free food, go to the hospital free.
Yes, since about 2018 or so, we go to hospital free. You take surgeries and other things free of charge. Then here they come and eat and go. Everybody. Yes.
It's the first time seeing somebody like this, so thank you. So people are enjoying, seriously.
My father is laid to rest. My father, yeah. So we have 5 brothers.
I said this is the first place the first hut that my father lived in.
Yeah, that's what my father built a house here. So that's what we were raised on. So then I condemned it and built this push bar so where people can come. That's his barn. This one is my mom, my dad, and my own part of the land. So I built it. We have 5 brothers. We're 5 or 6 in the number. 5 boys and 1 girl. So I used to live upstairs. I built it for my brother. My next brother was living here. I gave everybody a flat. 5 boys. You see, it's 5 flats here. So then before God blessed everybody, all of them has beautiful houses. If I would have shown you their houses, they're all grown now and big. They're rich people, so to say. They're blessed. So this one is also just everybody comes and people that work in the palace live here. Then my mom comes and lives in one of the flats. She lives overseas most of the time. And all the people are here. So we're lucky if the people made it. That's why. So yeah, we came from the remotest part of the man. So the last batch. Yeah. So we're bothering with the Ibagwani. So but everybody now comes here by the grace of God. Yeah, that's what it is.